There's nothing more that I love in this world than a mashup of two cocktails that makes a lot of sense and is brilliant and wonderful. Now, I know that if I told Marius the name of this cocktail, he would be cringing right now. He'd be like, oh man, don't do it. Don't do it, man. But we are going to be doing it. Today, we are going to be making a white Negroni Piña Colada. Let's get into it. All right, so first thing we're going to do is 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice. Then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. We're going to do 1/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of the Mahina coconut liqueur from Room Clement. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of Suze, which is a bitter gentian liqueur. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of Mezcal. We're doing Vida Mezcal. So we're going to add some ice into our tin. We're going to put our big rock of ice right there. Some ice in our tin. Put our cocktail in our tin. Give it a nice hard shake. Little metal shake for you guys. I think I committed to once a month doing a metal shake, so there it is. And then we're just going to give it a nice strain over our cube. And then we're just going to give it a couple of dashes of Angostura Bitters right on top. And just a little pineapple Frond garnish. There it is. Let's take a sip. Oh, that's fantastic. Wow, that's really amazing. So what's great about this cocktail is that you get kind of the nice, kind of bitter notes of the Angostura Bitters. Obviously, you get that coconut and pineapple right up front. The gentian liqueur kind of gives this nice bitterness to it as well, but then you've got the bitter spice of the Angostura Bitters, and you get the nice kind of citrusy smokiness of the Vida Mezcal, which is like not the smokiest of mezcals, but it's smoky enough, and it's citrusy enough that it kind of plays with everything. You get this nice foam on top. Now, if I had had my wits about me and a bigger piece of ice, I probably would have taken about 1/4 of an ounce of the Angostura Bitters and put it over the ice, which would have given it a nice little kind of level right here. But I think dashing it right into the cocktail and kind of giving it that nice sort of two-tone color it's pretty as well. I like this glass as well, so I kind of wanted to use it, you know. It is brilliantly fantastic cocktail. So this cocktail was created by a Los Angeles bartender named Chris Amaralt, who I think most recently was the beverage director at Odium, which is part of the Broad Museum in downtown Los Angeles. Recently, though, and what this cocktail was created for, he's been doing a pop-up called Parm Boys. And if you didn't know by the name, Parm Boys is an Italian food pop-up. Basically, him and a couple of friends created this pop-up to serve just the Italian food of their youth. He comes from the Boston area, as do I. Grew up in an Italian family, I'm assuming, and because of that, had a lot of Italian food. So he wanted to bring that Italian food to you. And this cocktail, he wanted to do like a nice tropical, what Punch has been calling apertiki, which I think just means tiki-style cocktails that feature aperitivo. The thing is that for me, apertiki has been around for a really long time. That just seems like a word that they want to just make a trend out of. But like, if you look at the Jungle Bird, you know, you've got aperitivo in tiki cocktails since way back in the day. I don't know, just a little thought. There it is, the white Negroni Piña Colada. Go get it. This is a nice fall cocktail. You get a little island in our winter this year, right? In our fall, no? But this is like nice fall flavors. You got the gentian bitterness. You got the Angostura. It's almost like I'm pitching Marius on the cocktail right now because he was just so against the tiki thing lately. So, I don't know. Anyway, I guess I'll see you guys on another time. If you like this channel, please hit like and subscribe. Check us out on Patreon. Check us out on YouTube memberships. Check out our Teespring store, and I'll see you later. Leandro out.